everyone, my name is Noelle. I hope you can hear me. Team 1, quarter 1, there's an airplane above. The name of my game is In Jesus' Name, and we are claiming a new resurrection in the judicial system, specifically in lewd and lascivious acts. I believe that's what it's called. So by July 4th, we're claiming a new independence and have declared a lawyer secured and paid in full. And by August 4th, with that lawyer, Jesus is declared free and clear of all charges. My request is to cause 111 massages. I am a healing masseuse, purchased. So if you know anyone who needs a massage, probably you, come see me. And also we're creating events, so I'm looking for anyone who is a performer or who can set up or clean up and contribute in any kind of way. And what else? Pro bono lawyers, child advocates, young adult advocates, maybe a lawyer or somebody in the media department who would like to progress a movement. I know that Reform LA Jails is one of those movements. Advocates, donors looking for somebody who would match donations raised or funds raised. The public defender and district attorney actually work together. There is an arraignment date, which is the first court date, where paperwork or the opportunity for paperwork to be submitted to all parties is given. And we submitted character letters of reference for my nephew from all the family and friends and people supporting him in this. And that is actually for the public defender in order to get to know who her client is really, because they don't really spend any time or invest any time with them. My nephew has attempted to call his public defender numerous times to submit some information that she asked for, which is the lottery that he has been picked for at the port, and she's not returned his phone call still since that last court date. So, paperwork between all parties. After that date, after the arraignment date, is another court date is set, and that is a date to enter a plea. So a plea is to admit, be guilty of, or enter a no contest plea to a lesser charge than what the state is initially charging. For those that don't know, the judicial system, or the legal system, kind of works similar to that of the LA Unified Schools District system, where they get paid, the state or the government gets paid per person in their seat. So that's why LA Unified Schools encourage kids to attend and be at school in their chair because they get paid per person. And while the state provides a public defender for somebody on trial if you can't afford one, they still work for the state along with the DA. And so in essence they are for you, but they're really for them, the state. So they get paid also per person in jail or in prison. So while they're appointed for you, they're not necessarily fighting for you. So with that, that's what these games are for, to raise funds for a lawyer, not a public defender, and to keep my nephew out on bail. Because nobody deserves to have their family torn apart by an unjust judicial system. So thank you for your love, for your support, and for your generosity. In Jesus' name.